I made these dragon egg cookies with my new cinnamon cookie recipe, and I filled them with chocolate chips. The full tutorial is available to members of my Cookie Art Club, but I wanted to show you a little preview of this project. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of cinnamon cutout cookie dough. You can use any of my cookie recipes for this project. This is a 3D egg mold set, and it comes with the cookie cutter. So I greased them with a little bit of cooking spray, and I'm just pressing the dough into the mold. And then I cut an X shape at the bottom so that the air can escape while they bake. And once they're completely cool, you can use a spatula to help remove them from the molds. This is black royal icing that I thinned down a little bit with a couple of drops of water. I'm using a decorating tip 3 to pipe a swirl of icing. And now I'm using a brush to spread the icing out. I want the entire surface to be black. I'm using the brush embroidery technique to add scales to the egg. I'm piping a scallop at the wide end of the egg with that same black icing. And then I'll use a slightly damp brush to bring the icing toward the top. Continue that until you've covered the entire egg. Make sure to pipe the scallops so that each layer overlaps a little bit. This icing consistency is a little bit thinner than what I would normally use for brush embroidery, and that's because I didn't want it to hold too much texture from the brush. I'll be adding color and shine to the cookies with edible luster dust. If you enjoyed this preview of the latest tutorial in my Cookie Art Club and you want to see more, you can become a member by hitting the join button. This cinnamon cookie recipe is nice and soft, so these are easy to break open. I had so much fun making these cookies. I hope you give them a try. Let me know if you do.